In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Amazon Prime account to Twitch in just 5 minutes. This connection gives you access to Twitch Prime perks like free channel subscriptions, exclusive content, and more. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Prime Gaming website. This is where you'll link your Amazon and Twitch accounts. If you're not already signed into Amazon or Prime Gaming, log in using the Amazon account that has your Prime membership. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one on the same page. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Twitch Account. This will take you to a page where you can manage your Twitch connections. On that page, click Connect to Twitch Account. If you're not already logged into Twitch, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Twitch username and password here. If you don't have a Twitch account, select Sign Up and create one. It only takes a minute. After signing in, review the connection details that appear. Double check to make sure you're linking the correct Amazon and Twitch accounts. Once confirmed, click Confirm Connection. And that's it! Your Amazon Prime account is now linked to Twitch. You can now enjoy Prime Gaming benefits, including a free monthly subscription to any Twitch channel, exclusive in-game rewards, and access to premium content. You'll find all of these on the Prime Gaming website under your account. If you ever run into issues or have questions, check out the help section on Prime Gaming. It's very detailed. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials and helpful tips. Happy streaming,